just to assure my young brother Sakaja of Nairobi that please keep the noise away from our children. You have our support. You have our support in ensuring that our city, I know I have discussed with you this before, and you have my support in ensuring that we reorganize the city, we make the city work for all the city residents, and ensure that the standards of the city of Nairobi are the standards of the capital city of Kenya. We will shortly, in fact by this Friday, I will be appointing a Nairobi Rivers Commission to sort out the filth in our rivers.